Hello, today I'm going to show you how to easily remove and change the Airpods on the popular Kingston HyperX Cloud II gaming headsets. This tutorial also applies to the Cloud I headsets. In this video guide you will also learn how to put the Airpods back on if they are fallen off or if you simply want to clean your headset. As you can see, the current leather Airpods are worn out and even leave dirt on the face. They look worse than my grandmother's face skin. When changing Airpods you have the option to choose between leather or velour cushions. The installation technique is the same for both types of Airpods. Before mounting pads, stretch the edge of the pad to make installation easier. Insert as much of the Airpod edge as possible into the groove of the headphone housing. Hold the insert part with one hand and with the other hand pull the remaining edge into the groove of headphones. It's important to keep the insert edge in place, otherwise it might slip out. Repeat these steps for the other side of the headset until the Airpod is attached. And there you have it, comfortable velour Airpods versus leather ones. You can choose which cushion type you prefer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below this video.